Hi everyone, welcome back, and today is the 2nd of February 2021, and today I'm going to open some trade, so I'm doing a video on it. So probably the first stock I want to look at will be IPOE, and let's take a look at the IPOE chart. This is a fairly new stock, and this is a very speculative stock, so I'm not going to open a big position, just maybe a very small position on this, maybe just one contract. And let me take a look at the option chain. Okay, this is a monthly option, so I can only go for the 19th of February expiry, and the option I'm going to look to sell will probably be 22.5. That is about 10% down from the current price, so I would have a 10% downside protection, and if I manage to sell it at the mid price, I have another $1 of downside protection, so my break even will be about $21. So I think I'm fine with that. But because of the bid ask is pretty wide, so let's see if I can fill on the mid price. And we'll just leave it there until we are filled, or we come back in a while. And the next stock I'm going to look at is WOOF, WOOF. And this is also a very new stock, just IPO last month, and the high was 31. Currently is trading at 26, and this again is a speculative stock, so I'm not going to open a big position on it. So WOOF is the same thing, it is a monthly option. So 26, so I will probably go for the 22.5. At 22.5, if I can fetch about 55 cents, 2 weeks to expiry, that hit about 2%. That would fulfill my 1% a week criteria, but I may not get a fill, so let's just see. And another stock I will probably look at will be the SPCE. This one have a lot of news going on because the ARK has been investing on it, and their price have zoomed up during the last month. I think probably because the ARK Invest has been buying this stock, and there have been a lot of YouTubers making a big hoo-ha on this stock. So let me take a look at the option change with a 3 days or 4 days to expiry, because today is a Tuesday, and let's see what kind of premium can we fetch. So if I'm looking at a 40 strike, for a 40 strike I'll be investing about $4,000. Then I want to get a 1%. I will try for the mid price. These are quite illiquid market. Okay, I'm filled on the SPCE. 40 strike at 44 cents. So let me just make a update. So 40 strike for 40 cents. And this one is expiring on the 5th of February. So I'll get to collect a 1% premium for this if the stock is above 40 by this Friday, 4 days from now. So for the SPCE, I'm done at 44 cents and not 40 cents. And another stock I want to do is NIO. NIO, currently I have some trade going on in NIO. So this is my trade in NIO currently. So I'm long 100 share at $58 and my average price is 53 and I'm selling a call on it. So I want to do a special move on it. I'm going to sell one more put. By selling one more put, if the market is down for NIO, I must be prepared to long 200 stock. So let's take a look at the NIO first. Currently NIO is down about 70 cents, and let's look at this week option. Okay, I'm done for the IPOE. So IPOE, I'm done at 1.15, and let me just update it first. 22.5 strike for 1.15. So let me go back to NIO. Looking at a 50 strike, I can only fetch about 25 cents, so I cannot get the 1% premium. Let's take a look at the next week that expire on the 12th of February. The 50 strike, then I'm able to get at about 1.09 or 0.8 or 0.7, so that will give me about 2%. It does hit my criteria of 1% a week. So let's see. I'm going to adjust the NIO to 1 bit or 2 bit lower. The price has moved down, so I wanted to get in, so I need to try at a lower price. So I'm done for NIO. 50 strike for 1.06. So 2nd of February. So I'm selling a put, extra put. That expire next week because I'm doing a 2 weeks option, because this week option there's no premium for it. So I managed to sell it for 1.06. So this will fetch me my 2% for 2 weeks. That give me 1% a week. And if I'm assigned the stock, then I will be long another 100 share at $50. I'm already long 100 share at 58, so that will bring my average price to 54 if NIO did drop. But currently NIO is above 50, so I'll just update the average price here. $51.89. So if NIO is above 50, then this average price is correct. But if NIO is below 50, then I'm long 200 share of it, then the average price will be different. But I'll update it when that happens. So I'm still left with this woof that is not filled. Let me take a look at the woof now. No, I think I'm done for the woof. Yeah, so the woof trade is done at 22.5 for 55 cents. And this one also have about 2 to 3 weeks to expiry. And I get it for 55 cents. That is about 2% premium. So I think I'm fine with it. Okay, when you look at it, I'm just collecting about $55 here and $44 here and $115 here. And for the new trade, I collected only $106. But if you do this kind of trade regularly, daily or weekly, then you can get a pretty handsome premium, I would say. And let me just take a look. I don't think I have any other trade in mind for today. And I'll probably update another video on why I do this kind of spec trade. And I think I'm pretty much done for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. I will see you on the next video.